Welcome to the latest and very easy to apply Facebook marketing video training, designed to take you by the hand and walk you through the process of getting the most out of Facebook on behalf of your business. I'm very excited to have you here, and I know that this will be very helpful for you. This exclusive video training will show you step by step, topic by topic, and tool by tool, what you need to know to dominate Facebook marketing in the easiest way possible, using the most effective tools, and in the shortest time ever. The video training is comprised of 20 HD training videos ready to show you the latest Facebook marketing strategies. This is exactly what you're going to learn. Video 1, what is latest Facebook marketing all about? Video 2, creating a Facebook page to promote your business. Video 3, creating optimized Facebook marketing posts. Video 4, promoting a Facebook marketing post. Video 5, creating a targeted Facebook group. Video 6, creating a Facebook content marketing calendar and scheduling posts. Video 7, using Facebook Live to boost engagement and product awareness. Video 8, collecting leads with a Facebook giveaway campaign. Video 9, integrating a lead capture campaign on your Facebook page. Video 10, creating a Facebook web traffic ad. Video 11, creating a Facebook remarketing campaign. Video 12, the perfect Facebook marketing plan for 2020. Video 13, latest Facebook marketing strategies for local businesses. Video 14, crazy ways to make traffic to your Facebook pages explode. Video 15, latest Facebook contest ideas to try in 2020. Video 16, latest Facebook marketing trends to keep an eye on in 2020. Video 17, latest Facebook marketing do's and don'ts. Video 18, latest Facebook marketing premium tools and services to consider. Video 19, latest Facebook marketing success stories. Video 20, latest Facebook marketing frequently asked questions. Well, it's time for you to start getting the most out of Facebook on behalf of your business. I know you'll love this training.